Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this DIY hair mask that I've been using for the last 6 months. The hair mask contains 1 whole aloe vera leaf, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of light mayonnaise, and 1 whole banana. When preparing the mask, I like to start off by cutting off the ridges on the aloe vera leaf. Please always remember to be very careful when using any sharp object. But for this step, I like to run my knife on the inner part of the aloe vera leaf and separate the skin from the inside. Aloe vera feels exactly how it looks. It's super slimy and slippery. I then like to take my spoon and just scrape out the filling from the aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera actually contains something called proteolytic enzymes, and it actually helps repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It's also a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It also promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff. Cinnamon is able to help remove buildup from the scalp, allowing for healthier follicles that in turn promote better hair growth. Cinnamon also helps encourage healthy hair growth by causing a tingling sensation, which is thought to draw more rushing blood to the scalp for stimulation. Mayonnaise contains healthy hair ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, and soybean oil, which contain fatty acids and vitamins that can boost shine and act to seal in moisture. Bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine, prevent and control dandruff, and moisturize your scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. Once I have all these amazing ingredients in my bullet, I blend it until I get the consistency I was searching for. The mask itself smells like cinnamon banana pancakes. You can't smell the aloe vera at all, and you can't smell the mayonnaise either. Now I'll just liberally apply the mask all over my hair until it's completely saturated, and then I'll let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes before I wash it out. I always like to use a hairbrush after applying my hair mask because I feel like this way it distributes the hair mask more evenly throughout my hair. Make sure that you guys don't forget to rub the hair mask into your scalp so that the cinnamon can penetrate your scalp. Once I've let the mask sit in my hair for 30 minutes, I wash it out. My hair is always super soft and super shiny once I'm finished. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.